Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Now today, one of the worst things has happened to me with my AirPods Max, and basically everybody's nightmare, especially buying something that costs over $500 and that's made up of metal, like these headphones here. And I have dropped my AirPods Max to the floor from 4 feet high or so, and this floor is not carpet, it's not wooden, it's 100% marble. It is a very tough surface to make contact with, and that's what happens with these AirPods. Before I test out the headphones here, this is the dent that I got from these headphones. As you can see, that look at that dent on the bottom corner of these headphones. That does not look good at all. This is the other side here. So when these headphones fell, they fell facing downwards just like this, straight on to the floor. And when it did fall, both of these, I'm assuming both of these made contact with the floor at the same exact time, because as you can see there, it's at the same exact location. But I'm assuming this piece, which is the right air cup, this one fell even harder because the dent on the right one is even deeper than the left one here. So as you can see there, that's how the dent is going to look like. So if you guys end up dropping your AirPods Max from 3 to 4 feet, that's basically from your hip area all the way to the floor, and on a marble hard floor, this is how your AirPods Max are going to look like after it has been dropped. The paint has been chipped away. As you can see, that has been chipped away. It's dented. You can see some creases right there from the space gray color paint. You can see some wrinkles as well. Whenever I try to scratch it off, it's not chipping off or anything like that. So I guess that's one bright side about it. It's that if you do drop it and the paint ends up chipping off here, if you scratch it more with your fingernails, or if you put it inside of a book bag and it's like rubbing around the whole entire material, this is not gonna chip off, because as you can see there, I'm trying to scratch it off and nothing is coming off out of the headphones. So as you can see, this was the height from the headphones all the way towards the floor, and the floor is 100% marble, very hard material. I was charging my AirPods Pros with the wireless charging, and the AirPods Pros were attached to a keychain. So I grabbed it by the keychain, and when I did grab it from the keychain, it must have pulled the top part of the AirPods Max. And when it dragged the AirPods Max from the headband here, it dragged it all the way off, and that's when the AirPods Max fell all the way towards the floor and landing right there on the corners of these headphones. And it was a very loud smack, because when it comes to metal and another hard surface like marble, you're gonna hear a very loud popping sound coming out of it. And that's when they both hit like this, but way harder, basically like a firecracker. And as you can see, that's what caused the damage there. So I showed you guys the dent on the bottom of the headphones, and from the inside here of the ear cups. For the right one, which has the bigger dent here. This one, there's basically no type of damage inside of them. The filter right here, which is on top of the drivers, it's not cracked or it's not misplaced. It's not coming off. The screws here, none of them are popping out of their slot. It's basically intact and screwed inside. So that's one bright side about it. It's that none of the outside pieces here, like the crown here, has been popped off or loose. Because if I shake these headphones here, nothing is loose inside of these headphones, which is a good thing. The buttons here, they're still functional and they're not loose or coming out. So let's start by testing out the headphones and see if that 4-foot drop has done any type of damage to the headphones itself. Now the head detection here for the sensors are activated, so if I do take them off, the video will pause or play. So let me put these on real quick. Now I have them on. Let me turn on the noise cancellation and see if that works. Yeah, the noise cancellation on these headphones work 100%. Let me turn it back on here for the transparency mode, and I could basically hear everything around me. Let me turn it right back on. Yeah, the noise cancellation on these headphones 100% work. Now let's test out the crown and see if the volume up and down works with the crown. And as you can see there, the crown still works with these headphones. It works perfectly well. Now let me press on the crown and see if this video plays or pauses. And as you can see there, it still works. Let me put the volume down here. The headphone still works with no problem. Let me pause it here, and it pauses it with no problem at all. Now let me play the video and let me take these headphones off and see if the head detection works. And as you can see there, the head detection sensor still works with these headphones. So let me put these right back on. And as you can see there, it plays the video right back again. So the head detection, if I take it off, put it right back on, it should play any second. As you can see that, these headphones work perfectly well. Now if I turn up the volume all the way up, having the volume all the way up, there's no creaks, there's no cracks, there's no crackling sounds or anything like that. So the stereos, the drivers inside these headphones are not defective. They still play the video sound very, very well. Now going to the Bluetooth for the headphone settings, you can still adjust the noise cancellation to off or on with the transparency mode. You can still change any type of settings that you want from here, and they will still connect with your iPhone even after dropping it 4 feet to a hard floor. So if I just slide these headphones inside of the smart case, the headphones go to sleep and the Bluetooth disconnects from the headphones. And if I try to take them out, they should connect back to my cell phone, as you can see that, and it connects right back again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.